Right, hi guys, here we go. Got a 1968 Mini here, heavily modified. Here we go, look. I told you it's heavily modified. Here we have a 2 litre V4 Ford engine. Now a lot of those engines came out of a Mark 1 Ford Consul Granada shape engines. That's what a lot of these engines came out of. It took 28 years for the bloke to do this car. That's right, 28 years to get it all done to this standard. Hell of a lot of work's gone into that. Oh, look underneath, look, it's even got Mini underneath, look, see, look. Jesus Christ, there's a lot of detail to this car. That's something different, guys. Look at that, look. Jesus Christ. A hell of a lot of planning's gone into this. Go back, guys, a bit. Around the back end of it. Something well and truly different. I'll try and look underneath, see what I can see. Back-wheel drive, look. Wonder what axle that is. Can't be Cortina axle, because not as is it modified. 2-3 Cortina axle or something like that. It's interesting. Look at that, that's something different. Look at that paint job. That's something different, that's for sure. Jesus Christ. That's something different, guys. Full credit to go with this one. There you go.